Hello everyone, today we will see how to show icons with interaction. We will see how to get amenity icons, how to enable interactions, and how to style them. Open your main activity.java file, go to map options and just enable should show all amenities. Then go to your map.init and in the onReady callback, just do controller.enable layer interactivity and pass in map_layer.layer amenity icons. Once that is done, go to the part where we are writing the onTap method. We will need to add one more else if condition. We'll just check if O is the instance of JIcon drawable. If that's true, we will do controller dot reset all amenity styles just in case if there are any styles. Then we will do JIcon drawable. We'll just typecast the object variable to JIcon drawable. We will create a JStyle object, call it highlight style, is equal to new JStyle. We'll do highlight style dot set color. You can give any color you want. I'm just giving a shade of green. Next we will do highlight style dot set stroke color, and I'm just giving a shade of black here, just basically hash 202020. Okay, the next thing that I'll do is create a JIcon style object. We'll do JIcon style dot set background style, and we will pass in the highlight style object that we just created. And now we'll take that icon drawable and we will set the icon style as JIcon style. Yeah, that's it. We will run the application. Just open your emulator. We will just try and zoom in a little bit. You can see that there are two icons here, one for men's restroom, another for women's restroom. We will just try and click those icons and you can see the style applied. We can probably just try and change the floor to first floor. There are too many icons here. We can just click on them and check if the style is getting applied, and yes it is. This is how we make our icons interactive.